COTU Secretary General Francis Atwoli says the meetings that have now become common where members of a certain community visit the home of Deputy President William Ruto is a recipe for dividing the nation. Atwoli is also warning Western legislators against joining President Jubilee's party blindly.
Kwa hivyo wanakimbia, wameenda Sugoi, wameenda wapi, wacha waende. Lakini wakati wa mvua yoni cheka. Are dividing us. Ruto is not the president of the Republic of Kenya. My loyalty to Uhuru, to the president, is direct. Your loyalty to your head of state is direct. Not through anybody else. Because when Kibaki was going, he left his sword in the hands of Uhuru Kenyatta to protect us. Not somebody called William Ruto. Yes. Yeah.